Hey guys, good evening. So, ayan, anong araw na ba ngayon? It's March 10, 9 p.m. na guys ng gabi. And ang late ko na mag-start ng vlog. This past few days, wala talaga ako sa sarili ko guys kasi meron kaming big event na darating. Hindi siya event, ano ba tawag dito? Big appointment. So, tomorrow na siya guys. So, yeah, mag-1 year na ako dito sa Amerika guys, and up until now, wala pa rin akong green card. So one reason na lagi lang ako nasa bahay kasi ayun na nga, wala pa tayong green card. And bukas na guys yung ating immigration interview for our adjustment of status. So medyo kinakabahan ako guys kasi yung case ko kasi guys, iba siya. Hindi siya K1 visa, hindi siya student, hindi siya work visa, kung hindi tourist guys. So, pumasok ako dito ng Amerika na tourist and then hindi ko naman in-expect na magpo-propose si Sterling at ikakasal kami. So, yung kasing mga nangyayari ngayon dito sa Amerika, yun yung nagpapakaba sa akin na hindi ko alam kung i-share ko ba tong journey na to sa vlog or it's too personal to share, yung ganun ba. Pero alam ko kasi pag share ko tong situation namin ngayon, maraming makaka-relate, maraming information na pwede akong i-share. Kasi guys, gumamit kami ng attorney and ang laki ng binayaran namin. And 90% siguro ng mga documents ay halos ako din yung gumawa. So, kung pwede ko tong i-share sa iba, I'm thinking na kapag share ko tong mga information na alam ko na ngayon about adjustment of status and then yung start nyo is tourist visa tapos nagpakasal, I think maraming matututunan sa journey na to, sa journey naming to. Marami kayong makukuhang information, and if you are doing DIY, yun yung naisip ko guys, yung mga taong hindi naman lahat afford yung mag-hire ng attorney guys. To be honest, ang mahal ng attorney guys, sobrang mahal, lalo na katulad ko na wala akong work, umaasa lang ako ngayon sa husband ko. For me, yung ganong halaga ng pag-hire ng attorney ay sobrang mahal. So, ngayon, nagpaalam naman na ako kay Sterling kung okay lang sa kanya na i-share ko tong journey namin dito sa adjustment of status para sa mga taong daraan din sa ganitong journey at meron ako ma-share online at makatulong sa iba. At kung maisipan nyo mang mag-DIY, pwede kayong makakuha ng mga information from me. Yung mga prices and everything guys, ilalagay ko na lang siguro yung information sa dulo ng video na to. If ever gawa ko ng separate video, pag-usapan natin in details. And then, but for now, focus muna tayo sa aking immigration interview. So yung interview ko guys is tomorrow na. 9 a.m. siya guys, so maaga kaming aalis. In case may traffic, siguro yung alis namin 6 a.m. kami aalis guys para hindi kami matraffic kung may accident kasi dito sa highway namin laging may accident. So matagal kasi magparebook ng interview guys, so chance na namin to and I hope walang maging problema, maging smooth ang lahat. So I will let you know guys for sure sa vlog na to kung anong magiging resulta. Pero I pray na sana masagot ko lahat ng mga question, kung ano man yung mga concern ng tawag dito, yung mga immigration people. Ewan ko, totoo naman tong marriage namin. Totoo naman na mag-husband na kami ngayon and totoo yung relationship, totoo yung lahat. Pero dahil sa situation dito sa Amerika, yung mga about sa mga inuhuli, about sa mga inuhuli sa mismong immigration office dahil wala pa silang documents. Yung iba guys, inuhuli kahit may mga green card, kahit may mga passport. So, yung mga napapanood ko online, nagiging Ewan ko ba, pero nakakaapekto din siya sa aking pag-iisip ngayon. Kaya this past few days talaga para akong ano bang gagawin ko? Sana maging mabilis lang 'tong interview na 'to kasi meron akong napapanood sa TikTok na pinaghiwalay sila ng office, na yung husband and wife hiwalay ng office, and then meron namang situation na nakita ko na 10 minutes lang, gano'n. Ay, magpe-pray ako ng maigi ngayon for tonight para hindi tayo magkaroon ng aberya tomorrow. And yeah guys, see you guys tomorrow and update ko na lang kayo. Hello guys! Good morning! And today is the day! Oh my God! Nagpa-practice kami ng question and answer while nagda-drive si Sterling. And look at this guys! Traffic pa talaga!
It's like Manila.
Yeah! And it's like, what time is it now?
8.
It's 8:10 guys, and yung appointment namin, it's actually pinapapunta kami na 8:30, pero yung pinaka-interview namin is around 9. So feeling ko sana makaabot naman kami on time. And then yes, nato guys, nagpa-practice kami ng question and answer. So this is like 200 questions na nakuha ko lang to online guys. So if you guys want this question and answer, email me. Charot, I will send it to you. If you guys want to know more about the question and answer, nakuha ko lang din to online sa isang immigration lawyer. So, yeah, medyo kinakabahan ako guys. Lalo na kasi syempre English yung magi-interview. And sana maintindihan ko yung mga question. Pero other than that, kaya rin naman laban. And look at the outfit. I'm wearing my Ted Baker blazer and it's giving funeral tayo for today's video because I'm wearing all black. Yeah. So, yan. Medyo kinakabahan talaga ako, guys. Pero, wish us luck. See, tignan nyo na. Mali-mali pa yung English. Talaga namang kinakabahan ako. Oh my God. Tapos, maulan pa siya, guys. So, it's rainy. And, yeah. Tapos, after this, guys, meron tayong exciting eksena. After this interview, meron tayong gagawin. Yes! Parang mas excited pa ako dun sa after the interview kaysa sa mismong interview. Kasi eto guys, eto yung magsasabi na makakapag-stay ba ako ng Amerika or hindi. Oh my God! So, ayan. Ay, ewan ko, hindi ko na alam kung ano yung sasabihin ko guys. So, magka-quiet moment muna ako. Magre-relax dito sa kotse habang nagde-drive papunta. Hindi ko alam kung ma-update ko pa kayo mamaya. Kasi baka hindi ko nadadalhin tong camera ko inside. Kasi baka bawal. Iwanan ko na lang dito sa car. And yeah, let's see guys. I hope yung interview na to hindi siya umabot ng 1 oras. Kasi guys, merong mga ibang tao na umaabot siya ng 1 hour tapos or longer, tapos pinaghihiwalay sa mismong room, separate rooms interview, ganong eksena. Pero sana hindi naman. Meron naman sa online na umabot lang sila ng 10 minutes. Sana ganun lang din yun sa amin. But we also have a friend sa Tacoma na Filipino. And yung interview nila guys, ano lang, parang Zoom meeting lang. Pero nagpunta pa rin sila ng immigration office. And then naka-Zoom meeting lang sila. And yeah, I hope wala kaming problema sa mga documents. And sabi naman ng attorney namin, maganda yung mga documents, very organized and all that. Walang magiging problema. Last na nag-meeting kami with the attorney, yun naman yun din yung sinabi niya na wala naman masyadong problema. As in, wala daw problema. And sabi niya, maganda yung case namin. And kasi guys, talagang niready ko lahat yan, naka-organize. Pati picture namin from the very beginning. Talagang nilagay ko doon sa file namin, yung mga documents na kailangan. Hindi ko alam guys kung mailalagay ko lahat dito yung mga requirements. Pero if gusto nyo guys, gagawa tayo ng separate video na nakafocus lang talaga sa mga documents na ginagamit or ginamit namin. Para naman kung gusto nyo mag DIY lang. Kasi guys, mahal yung mag-hire ng attorney. And I think, kaya naman to ng DIY guys. Kasi halos ako lahat nag-ano ng documents. Bali yung pinaka-role lang ng lawyer namin is pinilapan yung mga forms. And then eto, sasamahan kami sa mismong interview namin. So, kahit paghiwalayin kami ng room, merong isang sasama sa akin sa room, meron din kay Sterling if ever mangyayari yan. But if not, mas maganda kasi magkasama kami. And less kaba for me. And yeah. Okay guys. See you later na lang. Tignan natin kung makakapag-vlog ako mamaya. Or baka after na ng interview. Kinakabahan talaga ako guys. Okay guys, see you later. Oh my God, guys! Na-approve agad yung aming green card. Oh my God! Approve on the spot. So, kakatapos lang namin guys. Medyo excited pa talaga ako.
After our attorney said they don't do that.
Yeah! Approve siya on the spot. Oh my God! 2 to 3 weeks daw. Meron na akong green card and sabi nila pwede na ako makapag-work. Oh my God! Hindi nyo alam guys kung ilang buwan akong parang stress, hindi makahinga dahil sa mga nangyayari sa mundo, sa immigration dito sa Amerika. And finally, oh my God, I can finally work. I can finally just drive around.
4 or 5 weeks you should have your card, he said.
Yes, and now guys, may pupuntahan pa kami. There's another exciting part today. Okay guys, meron pa akong isi-share today maliban dito sa excitement na to. Pero grabe, natapos din siya. Alam nyo guys, nag-apply kami ng green card last August 29 pa, last year. Tapos ngayon lang yung interview namin. Gusto kong i-share to guys. I-share ko to, gagawin ko siya ng content para makatulong naman ako sa iba na gustong malaman kung paano yung mga documents. So, see you guys later. Mamaya na lang. Ay, ano ba yan? Parang gusto ko pa rin mag-share. Very konti lang yung tinanong guys. Kahit yung history ng relationship namin, he asked about our relationship.
Initial.
Yeah, yung tinanong niya lang guys, paano kami nagkakilala. And then, di pa ako tapos magkwento guys. Sabi niya, all good. And I was like, he said all good?
He said approved.
Yeah, he said approve. I will approve your
He
green
said
card.
the words.
Yeah, I was like, oh, yun na yun. Sabi ko, kabadong-kabado talaga ako guys. Hindi pa ako umurna ng uwaga dahil sa sobrang
Even our attorney's like, I wish all of my clients were this easy.
Oh my God, guys!
That's because you are so organized is why.
Yeah, kasi guys talagang inorganize ko lahat ng documents ko. And then, I also uploaded a lot of stuff about us. And then he asked about my job as a content creator.
Yeah.
I think he checked my stuff online guys, yung mga ginawa kong content. So, I highly advise if you're applying for like adjustment of status and it's a
Or
marriage-based
K1.
green card, upload stuff online guys. Yung magkasama kayo, video yan,
Talk about your life, your marriage.
yeah, and then mag-YouTube kayo, mag-long vlog. I think chine-check nila guys yung social media kasi tinanong niya ako, are you still doing your content creator stuff like that? Sabi ko hindi. I don't accept collaboration now because di naman ako allow magtrabaho guys. So yun. And then ano pa ba yung mga tinanong? Yung yes or no question lang. As in napakabilis. I think it was like 5 minutes, right?
Yeah, but you know, even when he asked that question about your collaboration, he said, well, it really wouldn't have mattered even if you were.
Yeah, so I'm so excited guys.
So he still was going to approve even if you had answered yes.
Oh my God, we can finally travel. Oh, even here, just around the US, you know, we can finally travel or go to Canada.
No international.
No driving.
No international yet.
Okay, no international muna daw guys. Pero I'm so happy.
Technically we can, but
Yeah. Pero mag-iingat muna kami. Advice din yun ng lawyer namin guys na if pwede wag muna kami mag-international
Yeah.
trip. So, yeah. Mas matagal pa yung paghihintay sa waiting area kesa sa mismong interview. Ay, ang saya. So, ngayon guys, where are we going?
I have to do some work for client. We got to pick up some cabinets.
Okay, we will do some muna yung work ni Sterling and then we will go to Tacoma Mall.
And we also have to pick up one quick thing for Anne. But yes, and Tacoma Mall for your reward for
Yeah.
being so organized. New iPad.
Oh my god, guys, I'm getting a new iPad. I did a poll on Facebook. I said if it's MacBook or iPad, but people say if you're video editing, you buy a MacBook. But guys, we always travel. I always think about easy way to pack lightly. So I think we're gonna get the iPad na guys. Actually, na-order na niya guys bago pa niya ako tinanong. So wala na akong choice. Naka-order na siya agad. Lahat ginawa niyang premium. Even the screen, right?
Well, and there's one more thing.
What one more thing?
I got you the pencil too.
Oh my God!
Because I figured you were gonna do that kind of work. You should have the pencil.
Grabe na to guys. Kaya supportahan niyo yung paggawa ko ng content.
And I'm sorry, I also got you upgraded screen.
Yeah!
And 2 terabytes of memory.
I know guys, 2 terabyte tong binili namin and I don't know if I will disclose the price but
No.
you
A lot.
can always research it online naman guys but I will explain the specs of the iPad na bibili namin. iPad Pro siya guys, 13 inches pero yung other stuff, babasahin ko muna siya and then share ko sa inyo dito. So for now, enjoy muna namin tong happy moment na to. I'm still excited. Okay guys, see you later. And ngayon nandito tayo sa Tacoma Mall. This is Tacoma Mall, right? Okay, now papasyal ko kayo kung ano yung itsura ng mall dito sa Amerika. And look at my outfit. Yes, it's giving, right?
Even your pockets open.
Okay, yan napagalitan pa tayo kay Sterling. I hope nakikita nyo ng maayos etong video natin. Mabilisan lang kasi to guys. So sobrang excited namin sa mga pangyayari today. And yes, eto tayo nasa mall and meron tayong surprise from Sterling. Yes! Surprisingly, there's a lot of people today.
And it's a weekday.
And a weekday, yeah. Maraming tao ngayon guys, pero usually pag nagpupunta kami dito, konti lang yung mga tao. Yan, ganito yung itsura ng mall dito sa Amerika guys. This is one of the biggest mall close to our house. Gusto ko magkaganitong sapatos guys to. Yung ganyan na brand. Where are you? I'm looking for you. I was there looking for shoes. Showing them what's here.
Here's the food court.
Ito naman yung food court nila guys. So meron silang Japanese, Italian, Korean. Marami silang varieties of food here. Yeah, may pa-pre-taste pa sila. Thank you. So ngayon, pupunta kami ng Apple Store. Do you know where
Down on the left.
Okay. So,
We only come here like when you're getting a new device.
yes, I know.
This is like the 3rd time we've come here for your devices.
So the first iPhone you got me, it was here.
Yep.
And then but the other one it was in Lacey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But this is where I got your iPad.
Yes.
So this is your second iPad.
So and I even wear my wedding ring, guys. Ito yung wedding ring ko, guys. Can you see it? Everybody. Very ano siya, shining, shimmering, splendid.
Good
Oh,
diamond.
meron silang Pop Mart here.
Get this, the whole store right there.
Wait, I wanna see what's in here though. Pop Mart guys, so they have Labubus. Meron silang Labubu guys. Ooh. Okay. Naiya ako, nakatingin lahat sila. I feel shy to go in because they're all looking. Here's me. Kita niyo ba ako sa salamin? Here we go guys. Pasok na tayo ng Apple Store. We're here. There you go.
There you go.
Thank you. You too. Okay, let's go.
Oh boy, huh?
Yes! Eto na guys, nakuha na natin. Yay! New iPod! So guys, nandito na kami sa Lazy and now we are here at the Lemongrass Ride. We are celebrating and hindi ako pwede mag-ingay guys, ang daming tao. And ito yung aking drink. Cheers! Milk tea siya guys. Hindi ako umiinom ngayon, so... Masarap siya, masarap tong milk tea nila guys. Here's the food.
Got big ass muscles in here. You get a big ass muscle? Oops.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Some calamari in there. Masara. Okay, I bring you your first Five Guys burger experience. So I ordered you a custom order burger, and then I only ordered one French fry, and we share.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
Sure.
So this is your portion of us sharing French fry.
Okay. Oh!
Yep, that's right.
Oh,
They give you lots of fry.
okay naman sa french fries. Nagulat ako sa french fries, guys.
That's half.
Half pa daw to, guys. Ano ba yan? Tapos may kasama siyang mani. So, first time ko lang itry tong What is this restaurant? Fast food?
Five Guys.
Five Guys. So, first time ko lang to guys. Tapos may kasama siyang peanuts. And what is this burger? Bacon cheddar burger guys. So ito yung dinner namin tonight guys. So, nag-take out lang siya kasi pagod siya sa work. And busy ako nag-edit guys ng vlog for YouTube, syempre. And tikman na natin siya. Nagulat ako sa french fries naman. Nakabundok talaga siya. Okay, try natin yung fries. Parang siyang smoke yung flavor niya. Itong fries. Actually, masarap siya. Ito yung sinasabi ko guys na yung mga pagkain sa Amerika, nakaka-addict siya. If hindi mo mapigilan yung sarili mo, tataba ka talaga here. Tataba ka, magiging unhealthy. Kasi sa sobrang sarap, kahit yung mga snacks nila, lalo na yung ice cream guys, nung bago ako dito sa Amerika, na-addict talaga ako sa ice cream. And then, ayun, nagkabilbil ang tao na to. Try naman natin tong burger kung talagang masarap to. Kasi, binibida sa akin ni Sterling, masarap daw to eh. So, ay, grabe naman, ang taba naman nito. Tignan nyo guys. Ito yung aking muka. And ito yung burger. This burger is so big.
I thought you might change your mind and want a little dipping sauce, so I made you sauce.
Okay. Okay,
That's mayo, ketchup, and relish.
sweet naman niya, no? Ginawan pa niya ako ng sauce. Pero hindi kasi ako ma-sauce na tao, guys. Yung tanging sauce na gusto ko lang lagi is suka or pinakurat. Yan. Hindi naman pwedeng lagyan ng pinakurat tong burger na to. So, let's try the burger.
Is your burger big enough?
It's big as my head. Look. Ang laki talaga ng burger na to,
You
guys.
have a big head.
Tignan nyo. Tingnan laki ng ulo ko tong burger. Try natin kung kasya sa bibig. Ito, even though if I can stretch my mouth like this.
I know you can.
Putak. Okay guys, try na natin. Try na natin! Go! Oh my god! It's really good! Pinalagyan ko siya ng jalapeno. Kasi
That's what
sabi...
you ordered.
Yeah. Sabi niya kasi sa akin, gusto mo ba ng spicy? So, ayun guys. Pinalagyan ko siya ng jalapeno. Mmm.
See, mine's more just traditional. But my God, look at the fillings in that, huh?
Yeah.
See, here's all my fries.
And this is one price, guys.
So basically, a whole plate.
Yeah.
Big plate.
Ganyan dito.
10-inch plate
Yeah.
full of fry. And what about the peanut?
Yeah, I didn't
Do you
try
notice?
it. Yeah. Tikman nga natin tong mani. Curious ako kung anong lasa ng mani nila dito. Oh. It's like crunchy mani. Ang laki ng butil ng mani ng mani nila. Parang ang sagwa pakinggan nung ang lutong ng mani nila. Okay, isang bite pa. Tikman natin. Isang kagat pa, guys.
Oh.
Oh. Ang laki.
Really good, huh?
Yeah. Okay, guys. I think dito ko natatapusin yung vlog na to. Wala talaga akong ma-vlog, guys. Lutang pa rin ako sa moment na nangyari ngayong week na to. Para siyang roller coaster of emotion, ganyan. So, guys, mag-edit na ako ng vlog para may upload tayo this... Ay, ano ba yan? Parang di sang-ayon yung mga ilaw. So, mag-edit na ako, guys, ng mga vlog. I mean, yung vlog natin for this week. And kung meron pala kayong mga tanong regarding sa adjustment of status, mag-comment kayo dyan, i-PM nyo ako para ma-share ko naman itong mga information na alam ko ngayon. And try natin gumawa ng content about it if maraming magtatanong. If hindi naman, PM nyo na lang ako, guys. And kung gusto nyo rin yung 200 questionnaire na ginawa namin or ginamit namin, pwede kong i-email sa inyo yung guys. Nakatulong yun. Malaking tulong yun para mabawasan yung kaba nyo. So, yun lang and see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!
Bye!